Please subscribe and click the bell to get notification.
So अभी हम आ गए हैं लंदन ज़ू की तरफ। गाड़ी पार्क कर रहे हैं। नाफिया अभी टिकट दिखा रही है। ऑनलाइन बुकिंग की थी तो ताता से क्या दगलता ए दगले तो खुद दे ज़ेन रागली दगलता वाले बच्चे तो सिर्फ अभी ये इसको देख के इतने एक्साइटेड हो रहे हैं। Hi guys, look.
Wait 1 second.
Guys, look. आपको आहिस्ते आहिस्ते दिखाऊंगी कि कैसे लग रहा है। मलीहा ने भी कैमरा पकड़ा हुआ है।
Saying that I'm recording, but the thing is, I don't ever vlog. Maybe no, I don't vlog because you're always vlogging.
ये मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन अभी सुना था कि ये यूके का फर्स्ट ज़ू है, तो आई डोंट नो कितना सच है। और अब हम इस टनल के अंदर जा रहे हैं जिराफ बीबियों को मिलने। ऐसा हाइना, वाह, ये जिराफ के करीब आ गए हैं। जीजा,
Maybe we should all get one of this.
और बस हर जगह पे NHS लव लिखा हुआ है। ये नाफिया और इकबाल के डिपार्टमेंट की लोगों के लिए है।
National Help Services.
ओह, सो NHS का मतलब है
National Help Services.
वाह, एला ने बता दी है। और जिराफ साहिबा भी बिल्कुल NHS के करीब खड़ी है। ये भी मेरे ख्याल में NHS को लव कर रही है। और ये तो खा रहा है, खाई जा रहा है मेरी तरह।
She takes 10 more seconds.
So my children say that we found mama and they call this little
So we've seen a hippo, and basically,
hippo.
You know this hippo is Mama, right? Mama, you acknowledge that this hippo is you, baby.
I'm happy. If I look shiny, beautiful like him, then that's it. I am hippo.
So funny.
Yeah, but there is a mini hippo which is Maliha. There is a look, Maliha, your mouth is open. Your mouth is always wide open. Look, Sumaya, Maliha, Nafia. This is her, the mouth is exactly like Maliha, wide open. All of you monkeys. You don't need monkeys. Ella.
She said I was a gorilla.
Huh?
Look for an elephant.
Look at that. The hippo is drinking Coke from the bottle.
Gorilla. What's the mom saying?
Hippo is drinking Coke from the bottle.
Rude woman.
Wait, hold on. No, it should just happen, isn't it? No. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Wow. Where are they?
No monkey, lemurs.
Lemurs, no monkeys. It's lemur. She say
Lemurs?
Where is it? Oh God, they're so cute. Oh, they're so cute. Kareem, what are they called?
Yeah, because
Lemurs?
that's me. Yeah.
That's you.
That's me climbing. Oh my God.
Oh, look at that.
That's
actually really good for them, isn't it?
That's me. That's me. That's me. That's me. Okay,
They're all pointing themselves out. They're like, that's
Yeah. Which one is? Okay, which one?
There's Malia.
Which one is Malia? This one is Malia. Oh, this one is me. This one is me. That one.
This is you, the one that's eating.
Oh, this one is Harim. Look, it's on top.
That's
So cute. My John.
No.
Can I hold him?
No, Baba.
Oh, look at his hands. They look so adorable. Me.
Wait, dati to gore. Ah, kada gole okro. Eh. Puya
Lima coffee. Remember you had it?
Yeah, I had a Lima coffee. It was £100.
Yeah, the
He
just poop.
pooped.
Mama had coffee from I think
Because-
Malaysia.
Yeah,
Made out of
That's
Lima.
but they only eat.
But they see specific Limas, right?
Yeah.
Mama ate Lima
Stop
too.
asking Daddy.
वही अल्लाह ने
Oh my
दाखू
God, I
को
just
सूखा
fell.
कही.
Caleb, you're so
Okay.
Look at her. Look at her.
Yeah, you two sit down there. Now,
Say,
Mama, question.
say hi, Lima. Hi, Lima.
Look at the house.
Kids, do you all want to sit down 2 seconds so we can move then let everybody else see? Caleb.
ये हमी समी भी इधर मिल गया. He's so grumpy.
What are you doing there, huh?
They all eating. अब बच्चे आइसक्रीम लेने के लिए खड़े हो गए.
Down, please. Okay, what do you want? What ice cream do you want, Hareem? Ice cream?
Which one do you want?
Or something?
So when you're not sitting cookie dough which or bueno? Which one do you want?
Said don't put your hand on here. But Hareem touched it.
They say don't touch the glass, Mama.
Oh, sorry.
There's something at the bottom. Oh my God.
Oh, that's so cute. Look at that. तो ये बेचारा यहाँ पे खड़ा है और सब इसकी तस्वीरें निकाल रहे हैं. बहुत ही खूबसूरत बनाया हुआ है ये सी लाइफ यहाँ पे. बहुत प्यारा जू है. स्ट्रॉन्गली रिकमेंड करते हैं. अब बच्चे यहाँ बैठ गए हैं. मलीहा भी साथ बैठ गई है. ये देखो कैलेब और ये अमाया. मलीहा नजर नहीं आ रही. ये एला भी आ गई नजर और ये मलीहा नजर आ गई है. नाफिया खड़ी है सोचों में. नाफिया सोचों में खड़ी है. क्या सोच रही हो? नाफिया को कह रही हो जवानी में बुढ़ी हो गई, सफ़ेद बाल हो गए. पहले लोग सफ़ेद बालों को रंग करते थे, अब बालों को सफ़ेद बनाते हैं. क्या ज़माना आ गया है. पैशन है पैशन. और ये मास्क का ज़माना भी आ गया है. हरीम इज़ विद मलीहा over there. मुझे तो ये असली जिराफ से ज़्यादा ये वाला जिराफ अच्छा लगा है जो हाथों से इन्होंने बनाया है. बहुत ही क्रिएटिव काम किया हुआ है. ये देखिए. You know, all my YouTube family want to see me.
Sharni. Such a nice park.
हाँ. ना फिर देर साथ उसे गपशप हमने दे लगा.
Amma gupshup lago kana no aga dwar nadi. They'll kill us.
So by the way, I was in the zoo, and one of my Instagram family, one of the lovely girl, she texted me. Their restaurant here nearby by the zoo, American Diner. And inshallah,
What happened?
she said that we invite you for lunch. I can't say no to them, so we're planning to go over there, inshallah. May Allah bless them. May Allah put barakah in their business.
Caleb.
Amazing people, amazing. So अभी हम आ गए हैं टाइगर के प्लेस पे. अब हम टाइगर भाई से मिलेंगे, टाइगर सिस्टर से भी मिल लेंगे अगर हुई तो. वैसे ज़्यादा टाइगर भाई होते हैं ना. सारे बच्चे एक्साइटेड हो के चीखे मार रहे हैं टाइगर के लिए. हाँ ये जो एला का पोंचो है ये मैंने बनाया. एला शो यू पोंचो. ये मैंने बनाया हुआ है.
And I'm waiting for you.
और ये ड्रेस भी मैंने बनाया हुआ है. बस चप्पलियाँ मैंने नहीं बनाई हुई. Is it? पैदाश हो? Oh, ये तो टाइगर नहीं है, कुछ और है. You wanna get out? You wanna get out?
Come on. Where are the tiger? Where are the tiger?
What do you see?
Where are the tigers?
What?
Tigers.
Tiger what?
Where are the tigers?
We are the tiger.
Yeah.
Oh. What's that, Savaya?
The sheep.
Me? Again? I thought I was hippo.
Yeah, you are a hippo. You're a fat hippo.
What? So? What? What you just say?
You're a big fat hippo.
And you? You're a fat monkey.
Little ant.
No, no, aunt. You're a fat monkey.
No, there's no such thing as fat monkey. They're all skinny.
Yeah, monkey are fat.
No, they're not.
Like you, cheeky monkey.
Really.
So you basically call me fat hippo, is it?
Yeah. Oh my God, camel.
Oh my God.
It's the camel. It's the camel.
The camel.
القدور الأمال.
Ah,
In Arabic they call it amal.
camel? What? What? What?
Amal.
Kamal no, you are Jebel
I
watoyi.
know Jabal Wado. You're just saying.
Yeah. Arabi de tola tabakra. Daral daus munga da Arabistan na rawasta. Da garibaran be zarur da Arabu na rawsti.
Let's go now. Hi.
Hi, camel.
Because it says, be sure.
In Arabic name, the Arabic name is Jabal, okay?
Yeah, I know that.
Say Jabal bhai, assalamu alaikum.
No.
Eh, dit salam ke khushal bishi. Assalamu alaikum. My God, your face is so big. So ये हमारा टाइगर भाई
Camels over there.
सो रहा है बेचारा. कितना खूबसूरत है, बिल्कुल मेरे सूट की तरह. I go exactly same suit. पासा ये ऊपर कैसे चढ़ गया?
Mama, they have pools.
You can see his face in the other side.
Yeah, Pasha can have.
So they can climb over the trees, yeah?
Yeah.
Look at that big lizard. Oh my God, look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Mama, it says don't touch the glass. Or B. Black cat. Say hi, black cat. Hi.
Shush.